people like this making money every single day. You can say $16.23 in Bitcoin, and $4.37 in PayPal, $9.01 on PayPal every single day. This is the date, this is the payment for 2020 May 19. This is yesterday, and this 2 or 3 are today 20. You can see people making a good money from this website. Again, this is not going to replace your 9 to 5 job, but this is the best way to make money on autopilot. Again, in this video, if you watch continuously, I'm going to give those 4 websites that you can make money and all the methods that you can do it once you set it up, and you can make money like this every single day. Right? Why I this make video? Because I made one video yesterday similar to that, and people are liking that video because I'll talk about only one website and 2 different methods. You can go and check it out. It's a basic thing, but here I'm gonna show the 4 different websites and more simplified version, and the more you can convert free traffic into you earning potential, guys. So in this video I'm going to talk about every single thing. So before that, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like, and press the like button if you really like my video. Again, what is this video is about? This video is about you earn per download. Okay, so when a viewers click your download link and download a free document or file, you get paid for that. This is the Up Forever. I already made a review on last video. I put the link in the description, also on the end card. You can go and check it out. So I'm not going to here talk about Up Forever, but this is one of the 4 websites. So last time I talked about sharing the free ebook with them. So then when they download that ebook, you get paid for that. But this time is completely different method. What you have to do, just go and find the topic that you like, or find the topic that people are searching for at the time. Because of the quarantine, people are locked inside, because people are looking for the topic like a lifestyle, you can say improve your life, learning new skills, learning new habit, losing habit. So you can download this ebook, similar ebook, on this website called Free PLR Downloads, or any other PLR website. Once you download, don't share this ebook, because this ebook is old and people, okay, if you don't give any information what is this ebook, people are not going to download that ebook, right? So we need to know, or as a downloader, as a viewer or visitor, they have to know what is this ebook is about. So what you have to do, first download this ebook and go through that ebook, and what you have to do, find a bullet points like this one. I download one ebook and I said 13 ways to improve your life during quarantine. Okay, 13 ways to improve your life during the quarantine. I changed the title, and then I put this information like a bullet points from that ebook. Now this word count is 983. I can make up to 5 minutes of video. Now I'm not going to make a video because I can't speak that properly, and it will take lots of time to put this to make a video, and if the video is not going to get more attention, more views, it's no point. That's why this software come to play. It's called Content Samurai, or they now call as a with me. Now you can go and check my old video. I did the review. Is easy to use. What you have to do, just copy and paste your script. What you try to do in a Word document or a Grammarly, put it here and click scene. It will automatically add the scene for your script. Once it's done, so you can go and check the scene is right with your text. Now you have to click a voice section. On the voice section, you can click auto voice, and this will generate auto voice for your video. Now this auto voice is completely different from robotic voice. So YouTube allow robotic voice in your video, but this is actually human voice. You can go, I will show one of my channel. You can go and check it out. Now click preview. It will add your scene and your voiceover and the background music and the text based on each scene, and finalize a video for you. Once you understand, when you determine that your video is good, then you can go and click download. Now you can get the 7-day free trial with Content Samurai. I put the link in the description, or you can go and buy the monthly subscription, which is £12, come around $20 or something like that. Because if you have, you can create multiple YouTube channels and multiple video every single day. So your video is ready, and click look continue, and it will download that video for you. Now you have the video, you have the free ebook, and you have the summarized version of the script. Now you have the video. So where you gonna get the free traffic? I'm gonna show you 2 websites that you're gonna get the free traffic. The first one is YouTube. So this is one of my channels. I have 46 subscribers. Organically I growing that site. I don't do paid advertisement, I don't do anything. What I do basically, I did upload this video. It is on and set for reminder or for later today. So in the description, I'm gonna rewrite again. I'm gonna put that ebook in the description. Also on the comment section, I put that link. So when the people click that link and download that ebook, I get paid for that. This is one of the best way, because YouTube is the second most search engine, and people are searching content every single day. So even you download 1 download per day, you can get paid for that. This is one way. The second way is called Vimeo. Vimeo, people are using it next to YouTube, I think, and video platform. But again, they give you 500 megabytes free weekly, and if you want, you can upgrade it with the premium version. You have to pay for that, but you can use the free version and upload the same video and the same title and put it to anywhere and seen by anyone. So when the people click that and go to description, in the description you can put the link and download that ebook, you get paid for that. So in this video, I'll talk about sharing the ebook in the video platform service, because video convert best. So when people watch the summarized version of your video and they like your video, come and download that full ebook to read that. Okay, so for example, if that ebook has over 10,000 words, you summarize that ebook in 900 words, that come out a 5 minutes video, that will generate most. If you have 1,000 views, 100 people download that ebook, you're gonna get paid for that, guys. So this is the best way. You need to spend a little bit time, but this is an automated system. Once you set it up, you can make money every single day. So that's why I'm saying it is an autopilot. You can make money, but it won't replace your 9-to-5 job. Before I show you the other 3 websites that you can make money, where you can share the file and everything, if you really like my video, subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to like my video. So I already talked about Up Forever, where I already did the review and tutorial. Go and check it out, our old video. You upload the file and you get paid for that. The second website is called indieshare.org. I put the link in the description. Go and check it out. Again, they pay for up to 10 USD per download. Now again, like Up Forever, different countries get paid, but if you are living in United States, Europe or United States, you get paid higher. Up to 100 to 1,000 megabyte, you get paid $4. Over 1,000 megabyte, you paid $6 for that. Again, you get paid in dollars, and you can pay through PayPal from here. This is the one section. This is one website. There's a third website is called fileupload.com. file-upload.com. Again, it's the same thing. Upload a file and you get paid that. Again, this website paid up to $7 per 1,000 download. Again, you don't get paid for 1 download, 1,000 download. You can easily get that 1,000 downloads by publishing this video, because like I said, this is automated system. Once you set it up, you can make today, tomorrow, a month later, or a year later, because it's already there. Imagine you have hundreds of videos, simple videos, and hundreds of free ebook, and you can every single day they can download, you get paid for that. Again, like a group B and group C, different country get paid a different amount, and you can go and check it out. If they have a premium account created, you have to create a premium account. If you that, the earning potential a little bit higher, but you don't have to. You can go with the free account. Then the fourth and final one is called rabbitgator.net. Again, they pay to share the file with them. Again, I recommend guys go with the PDF document. Also, this website, they allow to share your personal file with your friends and family. But if you want to make money online using this website, don't share your own personal files. Just share the free ebook that you download from the PLR websites. Again guys, thanks for watching my video. If you really like my videos, or if you want to see content like that, subscribe to my channels and press the bell icon. Also don't forget to like my video. Again, I'm sharing my own experience and knowledge. I'm now not going to try to sign up you for a scam courses. Okay, this is my online hustles. So if you really like my video, subscribe, like and press the bell icon, and see you in the next one guys.